Hello everyone. This is a public health alert. Marburg virus is here. As always, I am your favorite pharmacist, Dr. Azuto Nwazuzu.
The World Health Organization, WHO, reported on Sunday that Ghana, a West African country, has confirmed its first 2 cases of the highly infectious Marburg virus disease, MVD.
This is following the recent declaration by Guinea, another West African country, that its Marburg virus outbreak is over. Marburg symptoms.
The 2 Marburg patients were from the southern Ashanti region of Ghana. They had shown symptoms including diarrhea, fever, nausea, and vomiting before they died, testing positive for the virus. Contact tracing and monitoring of the 2 patients' contacts are in progress, and more than 90 contacts of the deceased patients have been identified, according to the WHO.
Marburg virus description. Marburg virus disease is a highly infectious, viral hemorrhagic fever.
It belongs to the same family as the more popular Ebola virus disease. It has a case fatality rate of up to 88%, according to the WHO. The illness usually begins abruptly, with high fever, severe headache, and malaise.
Marburg virus transmission.
Marburg virus is transmitted to humans from fruit bats, and can then be spread human to human, through direct contact with the bodily fluids of infected people, or surfaces and materials contaminated with these fluids.
Public health advisory.
The public is hereby put on alert, and health institutions advised to start putting measures in place to contain the disease in case of an outbreak of it, especially West African countries and their neighboring countries.
We will publish a more comprehensive video on Marburg virus disease on this channel, in a subsequent video.
So remember to subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so that you don't miss any future publications on this channel.
Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.